But I'm the only one who sat there and watched YouTube all day watching these people do the Fruit Loop challenge. I'm weird.
They follow my ways, I don't speak nothing different. I'm dope, I'm the wave, like some raw out the kitchen. Won't slip on my game, no, they wanted my position. Made my own lane, I'm like, what competition? I'm dope, niggas know me like a line. The folks who got no wave trying to trick me out of mine. But I know one thing.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm coming to you guys live, crusty and dusty. Today, we are doing this new Tinted Moisturizer review. Well, I'm not doing a review. I just want to apply my makeup today. But this moisturizer right here though, this right here, at first I ain't gonna lie, in that video where I did the ponytail I called it a foundation, but no, it's a moisturizer. It's a hydrating tinted moisturizer. It's pretty fresh. That's the name of it. It's known to hydrate and support healthy looking skin. It has coconut water, known to support, hydrate, and make the skin soft. So this is good for all type of skin. And it tells you the direction how you're supposed to use it. It says you're supposed to use their primer, which I don't have. I use I use the Benefits primer, so it is what it is. It is what it is. I've been rocking with this thing since I got it from Ulta. I'm gonna have the price and everything on the screen somewhere. And this is ColourPop. The color I got is Deep Dark 21W. This is what it comes in, this box. The only thing I hate about the makeup stores right now is that now you can't sample nothing. So literally you're just walking by faith when you're trying to get your makeup at this point in life, because you can't sample nothing. Thank you, Corona. Like it says, it's a hydrated tinted moisturizer with skin perfecting, lightweight coverage for fresh, healthy looking skin, which is true because honestly, look at my skin. I mean, yeah, I do have blemishes right here, but I ain't gonna lie, the mask be trying to be breaking me out. But my skin is not that bad because if you guys want to see a routine on how I maintain my skin, I'm just gonna tell you right now, there is no routine, just drink water. But I can still do a video on that. Whoa, that water went down the wrong throat. But all you gotta do is drink water and eat healthy. Like they say, you are what you eat. This is the box. I love the color of the box. It's so cute. It's nude. That's what it is. So this is what the product looks like. Pretty fresh, which I love it. All that it has to say with the color, the name, yeah, I like how it is. And then it's a pumper. I love it. Bruh, like, it's not gonna break. I remember I had this primer, and the primer was a glass primer, and it fell on the floor and it broke. I literally taped it. Let me show you guys. See, look, I had to tape it because it was made out of glass. Now I have to open it like this just to put the primer on my face. The struggle. So let's just get into this video. I'm rambling way too much. Primer I'm using is this little sample primer that I got from a friend. It's a pore primer and it's from Benefits. Put it all over my face. I did put it on the eyebrows because I want their brows to stay put. First thing I like to do is my brows. It's gonna be a very simple basic look because I am gonna film a try on haul, so stay tuned to that. So another thing that I got from Ulta was this NYX brow. Disclaimer, you guys, I am not a makeup guru. I just love to play with makeup. I love looking at makeup. I'm just obsessed with it. I'm not advanced, so don't come for me. I'm using this brush from e.l.f. It's a small angle brush. Sit in the back of my hand, small amount, not too much. Cause this time, baby, I love it. Like before, I used to use pencils, but now gel brows is my life. I love the consistency of it. It stays put. It's not it, but I'm gonna use the back of it and then put it on my face. It covers, it's not a coverager, it's a tinted moisturizer, so it's super lightweight. Real quick, a little bit of coverage. I wish it had, but honestly I'm not mad. I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Know me, I do not like wearing foundation like that, so this is a nice little like makeup no makeup look. Yeah, that's it. I did like, I don't know how many pumps. I did a lot. I crave cosmetics, so she's currently having 50% on the whole month of July because it's her birthday. So these are the lashes. She also have other stuff on her website, such as makeup palettes and lipstick. They're very pigmented, so these are the lashes I'm using, which are so cute. I had them on for a vlog and I did not know how to act, so now I'm gonna apply these and that will be the look of the day because I'm keeping it simple. Maybe that's sad. Yes. Oh my god, I love these lashes, bro. It makes your eyes pop. Not foundation. Why I keep saying foundation? Like, what is wrong with me? But it's a tinted moisturizer. I would definitely recommend it because this is not my first time using it. I've used it before. This is like pretty much my third time using it, and I decided to just do a video to tell you guys how great this foundation is, and so I absolutely adore it, and I would recommend it for us beautiful gals out there, you know, us bougie gals on a budget. Honestly, wait, I don't even know if it's how much it costs talking about on a budget, but I'll have everything linked in the description, and I'll also show it how much it is. I'll definitely recommend, like, super lightweight, bro. You don't feel like your face is cakey. That's the thing I like about it. And it's like, I probably look like I'm doing too much, but I'm really not. It's like super lightweight. I would definitely recommend this to anybody, and it says it's ideal for all type of skin, so anybody can try it as long as you can find your correct foundation color. But it sucks now with COVID and everything, you can't sample products in the store, so I'm glad I went with this color because I was between, it was another color I was between, but this one was perfect. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. 10:58. And I just wanted to show you guys how the makeup's holding up. Still good. The only thing is my lashes are coming out. I applied the makeup at what, 1:30, and this is what it's looking like. The only thing is that my skin is oily, but other than that, I feel like my skin still looks this. I feel like the lighting is not doing it any justice. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.